Why say humans may never truly understand four-dimensional space? In this picture, your first reaction would be to think this is a hexagon made of 6 triangles. When we rotate the image, you will find that this is actually a cube. In this process, images have also been converted from 2-dimensional to 3-dimensional. But if the image is not rotated, we can't feel it at all. This is actually a 3-dimensional graphic. Therefore, the Earth is the creature of the world. It is difficult to understand a higher dimensional world. So what exactly are dimensions? In geometry, dimension refers to the way in which a space is described. The number of coordinate directions, for example, because space is an infinitely long straight line. If there is intelligent life here, they can only follow this path, move in a straight line. At the same time, it is impossible to understand at all geometric concepts other than length. And when we add a vertical line to this straight line, a straight line will result in a 2-dimensional space with 2 directions, length and width, and has 2 sides, upper and lower. Suppose there is an ant. Scientists see this 2-dimensional figure as the universe, want to measure the size of the universe in which it exists, as he crawls in a straight line to the border and travel to the other side. In the eyes of ants, the length of the entire universe is finite. But if we take the 2 ends of the 2-dimensional plane, twist and connect, you will get a famous Mobius strip. At this time, the ant scientist continues to crawl in a straight line, then no matter how long he crawls, and can never reach the border. Therefore, he will come to a conclusion, and the universe is infinite. But the actual situation is, for us in the 3-dimensional world, this is just a 2-dimensional area with topological structure. If we are in a 2-dimensional plane, add a vertical, a straight line in 2 directions, length and width, and we'll get the 3rd dimension. That is, the 3 dimensions we can currently perceive. Space here. You can go up and down, front and back, 360 degrees left and right free movement without dead end. But at the same time, we will also be like ants in the 2-dimensional world, facing the same problem. That's how big the universe is. What is the shape of the universe? Although in physics, there is no problem with infinite quantities. But when people try to describe the size of the universe, and we have to face the infinite possibilities of the universe, and in topology, there is also a kind of the structure of a Mobius strip, enable it to be effectively described. Why in a finite universe, seemingly infinite? This is the magic bottle that does not exist in reality. Klein. Through repeated research and experiments, scientists discovered the Klein bottle. Not only is it very consistent with the relevant theories of 4-dimensional space, its structure also related to Einstein's theory of the universe model. Finite but boundless structure of the universe. Very similar. So if the universe, it's really a structure like a Klein bottle. This shows that the dimensions of the universe are not limited to. In the 3-dimensional space we see, it is very possible that he exists in a more advanced dimension. Although we can use abstract concepts and symbols to describe higher dimensions, not only did he propose a manifest theory with a 10-dimensional space and the need for 11 dimensions or higher dimensions to fully describe M-theory describing how the universe works, but our 3-dimensional perception and way of thinking, but it was tightly restricted. Our understanding of the high-dimensional world, just like a 2-dimensional, biology sees a 2-dimensional element. Likewise, he can only see a line, but can't see the whole. Yuan information. And when a 2-dimensional figure rises to 3 dimensions, In the eyes of other two-dimensional creatures, it's like half of it disappeared in an instant. So we in the three-dimensional world. It is also difficult to understand the higher dimensional world. You may never even understand it.